Welcome to the next step in your journey to a good night's sleep. This box contains everything you need to start using your positive airway pressure, or PAP therapy. To get started, remove the carrying case from the box. Inside the case, you will find your PAP device, power supply, tubing, extra filter, and mask. You'll also find the user manual. Keep this in a safe place for later use. Let's begin to set up your device. First, take the tubing and connect one end to the assembled mask. Connect the other end of the tubing to the air outlet of the device. Or, if you're using the heated tubing joint, connect the heated tubing joint to the air outlet of the device, and then insert the power plug of the heated tubing into the heated tubing port on the back of the device. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Connect the power adapter to the DC inlet of the main device and plug the power cord into the power outlet. You should keep the device on a firm, flat surface next to your bed. Now that you've gone through the initial preparation process for your PAP device, we can begin to learn more about the usage and settings. If you look at the back of the machine, you'll see where the filter is located. There should be a filter already in place. To open this door, simply place your thumb on the tab of the door and pull down. To close, line the door back up against the PAP and it will snap back into place. On the right side of the front of the machine is the humidifier. To remove the humidifier chamber, push down on the chamber and it will pop up. This allows it to be removed from the machine. Open the chamber by lifting the tab in front of the chamber. Then you can fill it with distilled water. Use distilled water only, as tap or drinking water contain mineral deposits that can harm your device. Be sure not to overfill the water chamber. There is a fill line that you should not go over. Do not travel with water in the chamber, as this can cause water to go into the machine and cause damage. Once the chamber is filled, you can close the lid and push the chamber back onto the device. To adjust your humidifier settings, push in the knob when the humidifier tab is highlighted and turn the knob to the setting desired. Your options are off, auto, or 1 through 5. If you do not have water in the humidifier, then the humidifier should be set to off. Once you find the setting you want, push in the knob to confirm setting. In the morning, if there are just a few water droplets in the tubing, this means the humidifier is set appropriately. If there are a lot of condensed water droplets inside the tubing and/or mask, it means that the humidifier is too high and should be set lower. Nasal dryness means the humidifier level is too low. The button on the top of the PAP machine is the power button. This turns the PAP on and off manually. On the front of the machine, under the screen, is the home button, and to the right of the screen is the knob. While the machine is off, press the home button to get to the patient menu. Let's go over some of the settings here. The first icon is the preheat option. If you click the knob in while on this icon, it will start heating up your water chamber for up to 30 minutes before starting therapy. Click the home button below the screen at any time to get back to the patient menu. The next icon is the accessories icon. If you click on the knob to go into this menu, it will let you know how many days you have been using either the filter, tubing, or mask. When you change them out over time to new ones, remember to go into this menu and reset the days. The next icon is the mask icon. Enter this menu to choose your mask type and to run a mask fit test. A mask fit test will let you know if the mask is fitting correctly. The next icon in the patient menu is the report icon. Click on this menu to view your data usage and AHI over the span of either 1 day, 7, 30, 90, 182, or 365 days. In this menu, you can also get the QR code or iCodes to upload the data to the system. The last icon is the setting icon. In this menu, you can change humidifier settings, brightness, date, time, and language. At the bottom of the patient menu is your PAP Machine Settings. It will tell you the mode of therapy, either CPAP or auto PAP, pressure settings, and your Reslex setting. The Reslex setting is a comfort setting that eases up on the pressure when you exhale. You can also change the humidifier setting while the machine is on. Do this by scrolling the knob until it gets to the humidifier setting. Next, click the knob in to change by turning the knob to your desired setting. You can also adjust the ramp time by scrolling to ramp icon and choosing desired time from off, auto, or anywhere between 5 to 30 minutes. The last icon is the settings icon, which you can change other settings in while the machine is on. Now that you've set up your machine, it's time to integrate it into comfortable, everyday use. This will take a little getting used to, but will greatly help your journey to better sleep and overall quality of life. Starting tonight, begin to ease into a habit of regular usage. This is the best way to get the most out of your therapy and keep you on track to better sleep. Over the next few months, your sleep coach will contact you every few weeks to ensure you are adhering to your therapy plan and address any questions or concerns. It's important to schedule a regular time to clean your equipment so that it becomes part of your normal routine. Each morning, remove the mask and wipe it with a damp cloth. Empty the remaining water from the humidifier chamber, then rinse it out and replace it back into the unit. It is very important to not leave standing water in the humidifier chamber. This can cause bacteria to grow inside of the chamber. Once a week, you'll need to clean the humidifier chamber and tubing. Remove these items from the unit and wash with a mild detergent and warm water, then rinse well. It is best to do this in the morning to allow enough time to air dry before you use it again at night. Clean the foam filter every 2 weeks. To clean it, wash in warm water with mild liquid dishwashing detergent and rinse thoroughly. Let it air dry completely. If you have a white filter instead of a black filter, it is disposable and can be replaced every 2 weeks. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can call the VieMed Sleep Coaching Center, available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time at 844-475-7277 or visit us on the web at viemed.com/sleep.